the walk. It's like an hour after, and today we're having ugali and omena for dinner, and I decided to put that recipe in this video. So yeah, so this is the omena. It's the raw sun-dried omena. Go.
So I'm just soaking the omena in really hot water. This is because they are dried and we want them to absorb the water and like soften up. And yeah, anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another video, and this was supposed to be a part of the video where we went for a walk with my brother, but unfortunately that would have made it too long, so I separated the recipe and the walk. And yeah, so that is what you're seeing here, and we'll be cooking omena today. So I will soak this for 5 minutes and then I will repeat the process again. So I will soak twice and then use cold water to wash the omena before now frying them, frying them in oil and then making them in sauce. So stick around for that. And yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and in the comment section make sure to tell me you're new here so that I can welcome you into the family. Actually, I'm thinking of starting a shout out thing. Like when you comment, I'll be picking either the first person to comment on my video for a shout out in my next video. I think you'll love that. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And yeah, so let's get cooking. I hope you enjoy today's video. It will be short, but I hope you like it. You'll never actually make omena any other way after this, so thank me later.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything.
So this is the second hot water. You can see how dirty it is, which is why it's important to actually soak the omenas before, for softening and as well as cleaning, because they are really dried on the ground, like in a very dusty place. So you need to be very careful about the way you clean them before you eat them. So yeah, so in the cold water it won't take long for them to, like, they won't soak in the cold water for too long. And yeah, you put them in a different basin and then it's time to start cooking. I hope you're still enjoying the video this far. If you are, let me know in the comment section as usual. So now we're gonna fry the omena in some oil. Make sure that this oil is not oil that you want to use another time, because once you fry the omena, the oil cannot be used for any other food. So you fry them until they are golden brown. Okay, so yeah, I'll do that for the 2 batches.
It's taking everything not to turn around, throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time, lost in my head. I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line, didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time, promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it.
it's time to make the wet fry omena, and we are going to be using the same oil we used to fry, just that I have divided it into two because it was too much, and I'll be using my onions and my tomatoes. Now for omena, you need as many tomatoes as you can find, as many as you can find. I insist, as many as you can find or afford. So because I couldn't afford as many as I wanted, I will be adding some tomato paste, just a little bit of it, to thicken the sauce. And I'll also use some Royco cubes and some fish masala. And yeah, I think that's it for the spices. I don't want them to be too spicy, so yeah, that will do. I'll also add a little bit of curry powder. So yeah.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. Why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
we have made eventually. This is our omena, and yeah, so that is what we will call an evening. So thank you so much for watching to this part. I really do appreciate it. I hope you try out this recipe because it's amazing. Everybody loved this omena. Trust me, people don't eat omena in my household, but this was top tier, 5-star, amazing omena. Anyway, thank you so much for watching to this point. Leave a comment down below about what you think. Like the video if you do like it, actually. And if you haven't subscribed to this point, okay, what are you waiting for? So you just subscribe, it's free, and then you hit that notification bell up on next so that every time I upload a video you get notified. Yeah, so anyway, thank you so much. See you in my next video.